welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. I want to show you the stocks that I will be looking at for the coming week. These are daily candlestick charts provided by finviz.com. Let's start with Moderna, mRNA stock. This is a textbook example of a descending triangle. And so descending triangles, like triangles oftentimes are, indicators that price action is getting narrower and narrower, tighter and tighter, until it has to either break up or break down. But I like this pretty strong resistance here at $120 for Moderna. The thing about it, you can have strong resistance, but maybe it's not as strong if the data points are from a long time ago. We're talking about October of last year. So is it that strong? I don't know, but this is a pretty low price for Moderna stock. I want to see how it behaves if and when it gets to $120. Let's see if that support holds. KHC, which is Kraft Heinz stock. So you had a triangle formation here, again getting narrower and narrower price action until it didn't break up. Nope, broke down, and it's falling in a big air pocket below, as I like to call it. There's some support at $33. Again, that support is from a long time ago, October of last year, so it may not be as relevant as compared to if there was recent price action indicating support at $33. That doesn't seem to be the case. So let's see how it behaves. If it gets to 33, I'm not really that interested in it right now. I want to see it go down more before I start to look at KHC stock again. NEM, Newmont Corporation stock, a gold mining type of company. So now we have support that's not only a long time ago, but also recently at the $40 level. We'll call it 41 if you want to be precise. 40 or 41, pick your choice. It bounced off of it, and it's holding it, although it's acting kind of funny. I don't know. It's not the cleanest bounce here, and it might come down to 41 or 40 again soon, NEM stock. Tell you what, if it gets to 40 and then starts to bounce again, I would get interested in this. But that's only if you like gold, although I like gold. I like precious metals for sure. StarBucks stock, SBUX stock. Look at how nicely Starbucks stock is holding that $97 level. Yeah, plenty of data points here. Just bounced right off of 97 here, and then here, and again, and recently a couple of times. That's looking good. Now, if it breaks down on heavy volume, if it just slices down right through that 97 level, you can see where the next support level is at 85. So do you want to put everything in at once, or do you want to scale in? Maybe some at in the 90s and then some at 85. Okay, you don't have to buy everything all at once. You can scale in, put in small amounts a little bit at a time if you want to. Of course, you have to make your own decisions, do your own due diligence. Don't do something just because somebody in a video says it. That's not the idea. WMG stock, Warner Music Group. I haven't talked about this one often. Maybe I should look at it more. I mean, I like this support. It's really holding nicely. WMG stock at $24. Next support level is down at 22, not very far below. So maybe scale in, or maybe just wait until 22. If it gets down to $22, WMG stock. Yes, you do have a channel here, a falling, descending channel. It's not my favorite type of channel to play. I like horizontal channels or rising channels, right? As long as they're not rising too steeply, I don't want to buy into a bubble of any sort, right? But it's starting to look interesting. WMG stock, Dollar General, DG stock. This thing just keeps falling. There was a descending channel here, pretty tight one too. And it looked like it was going to break above, and that was a head fake. Right down, sliced down right through it. It's still falling. I'm staying out of the way. I like the price, but not the momentum to the downside. I mean, this thing just isn't giving the buyers a break. It's just selling and selling. So I'm going to see where it is next week. See if it starts to go sideways, or better yet, starts to curl up a little bit on heavy volume. Yeah, that would be nice. That would be great for DG stock if anybody's interested in buying it, if you want to. ChargePoint stock. CHPT is the ticker symbol. Double bottom, FinViz says, yeah, but also a descending triangle. Double bottom can be bullish. Descending triangle can be bearish. Let's see if it breaks up or breaks down. Boy, these head fakes are kind of vicious sometimes. It looked like it was going to break up and out above that descending triangle, but head fake right down there. Down, down, down. 13% in one day down on Friday. Yikes. So let's see if it gets down to $8 and stays there. Let's see if it bounces off of $8. That'd be good. But yeah, this isn't looking too encouraging yet. And Campbell Soup Company, CPB, holding 46 very nicely. I don't see a lot of support at 46. I mean, it kind of came down to 46 in October last year, 46 and change. I mean, the support level was 50, but that's old news now. You don't want to look at the past. You want to so much as what's going on right now. Well, you look at the past as well. But what's happening now? Well, it's not bullish right now. I want to see something more constructive. Let's see if CPB, Campbell Soup stock, holds that $45 or $46 level. So I'm doing a lot of watching next week. The one that really looks promising, I'd say Moderna stock. Yeah, I like this one. I mean, this is a stock that's been up to, well, it's been up to almost 200 over here and then above 200 over there. So it has potential for major upside potentially. We'll see what happens. You don't have to buy something every week, by the way. Okay, this may be one of those weeks where you just sit on your hands, and that's okay as well. So, hey, be careful out there. Have an exit strategy, please. All right, have a plan. Otherwise, it's not going to go well probably for you. So thanks a lot for watching and listening. I will talk to you again soon.